Welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're reviewing VRBO Owner, an app designed specifically for property owners who want to list and manage their vacation rentals with ease. VRBO Owner offers a comprehensive platform that helps owners maximize bookings and streamline communication with guests. With VRBO Owner, users can quickly create and update property listings, upload photos, set availability, and adjust pricing directly from their mobile devices. The app makes managing reservations simple by providing real-time notifications about bookings, cancellations, and inquiries, so owners stay informed no matter where they are. One of the standout features of VRBO Owner is its messaging system, which facilitates direct communication between owners and guests. This helps clarify rental details, answer questions promptly, and build a positive rental experience. The app also provides access to payment tracking and secure payout options, ensuring owners get paid reliably and on time. VRBO Owner supports multiple properties, making it ideal for hosts managing several listings. It integrates tools for managing reviews, allowing owners to respond and maintain a good reputation. The app is designed to be user-friendly, catering to both new and experienced rental owners. Pros of VRBO Owner include its ease of use, efficient booking management, and strong communication features. It allows owners to stay organized and responsive, which can lead to better guest satisfaction. On the downside, some users have noted occasional glitches and delays in syncing updates between the app and the website. Overall, VRBO Owner is a powerful tool for vacation rental owners who want to manage their properties professionally and increase their rental income without hassle. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutorialorebiz@gmail.com.